Crafters, so lovely to see you, and thank you for choosing us to be your fun and learning partner. We invite you on an exciting journey where we have carefully selected activities to enhance your creativity, your mental and your mathematical skills. Time to unbox! We have 3 items inside this box. How exciting! First one, we've got lots of different kinds of mathematical games. And this one, again, this is a wooden toy, so it's environmentally friendly. I love that. So let's open this one and see what's inside. Ooh, how exciting. We have a number of different games in this one. We've got a clock to help tell the time. We've got some nice little colored oval shapes to do some counting. We have lots of little numbers, pluses and minuses. Oh, we've got some smiley faces that you can use to count. We've got some stars also to use to count in different numbers. So there's a lot of fun in one box. So there's that one. Next one is, of course, the classic Jenga. This is lots of fun because it can be played by the whole family or with your friends. Very easy to play. You stack it up in rows of 3, and then eventually that tower comes tumbling down, and then that's the end of the game. So that's a lot of fun you can have with your family. Finally, the last one, Tetris block. Now that is fun. Let's open this one up. And in here, this is lovely. Can you see we have lots of different colors in this one? Tetris is great because it's filled with lots of different shapes and letters. So what you have to do is you have to really use your clever mathematical brain, and you got to put them all together and make sure that the shapes all form nicely together. We also have some numbers there, so you can play around with some counting and numbers too. So that's going to be a lot of fun. See you in the next video. And don't forget to follow us on our social media channels.